In this Python programming solutions video, we will understand the answer for the assignment type C, question number 5 of chapter 2 named Python Revision Tour 2 of CBSE class 12 computer science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Write a short Python code segment that prints the longest word in a list of words. Now we will write the solution for the problem. Word underscore list is equal to square bracket happy happier cool happiest laugh. First we create a list of words and store few words in it. The words are of course stored as strings. Then max underscore length is equal to 0. Then take a variable max underscore length and initialize it to 0. This variable will be used to store the length of the longest word. For word in word underscore list. Now we want to loop over all the words to check which one is the longest. If len word greater than max underscore length colon. Then we compare the length of the word which we are iterating to the number stored in max length. If it is greater than the value already stored, it means we have found a longer word length. Max length is equal to len word. So we update the value of max underscore length to store the length of the longer word than the previous one if any. Max word is equal to word. And also update this value of max word variable to store the latest applicable value of word. Print the longest word is max word. Finally, we print the longest word which is stored in max word variable. Now we run the program and as expected we see the output as the longest word is happiest, which we can see is the longest word of the given list. You may try to run this program again by changing the values in the list and test it for yourself. Thus, we have verified that our code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comment below. And if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.